Insofar as in-service teachers recruited prior to enactment of the RTE Act and having more than 5 years to retire on superannuation are concerned, they shall be under an obligation to qualify the TET within 2 years from date in order to continue in service. If any of such teachers fail to qualify the TET within the time that we have allowed, they shall have to quit service. They may be compulsorily retired and paid whatever terminal benefits they are entitled to. We add a rider that to qualify for the terminal benefits, such teachers must have put in the qualifying period of service in accordance with the rules. If any teacher has not put in the qualifying service and there is some deficiency, his case may be considered by the appropriate department in the government upon a representation being made by him. With the aforesaid modification of the impugned judgments and orders, there are several appeals which have been disposed of on the above terms. These are civil appeals 1389, 90, 91, 93, 95 to 99, 1401, 1403, 1404 to 1410 of 2025.